only thing I had to throw away was one of your old spray bottles.
Oh, black one.
William, put on that video. I'll over.
Are you videoing?
Yeah, just hold on to it. Don't shake though.
Go ahead. Can you get on that this one here? Just need to pull in.
Oh, it's melted. He's only melted already.
Oh, you got them off.
Put it around the top stick, love. Hey, Chris, stuck that straight on the top of the ladders. Steve, William, put that down at this side.
Down here, there's nothing bend down here. Push it down that corner. Push it down.
Hey, what? You want this? Wait a minute.
Yeah, there's a snowman's head.
Oh, you can put him on the top. Too fucking late now.
Trying to shove him inside the middle part.
You got stuck to it.
A leg.
Oh yeah, you want to make
One of them legs from over there. Then it's just shove it on.
That one's empty.
That one empty.
Oh, that's it.
Put it in my trousers. Put it in my trousers.
I locked it. Oh, look, it's off.
Piece of cardboard fell off.
You got him. Stick him on the top now.
Stick him in this front part if you can. There, we're going to buy burning gab up. No? Yeah, oh, you're doing it different to what I thought was going to do it.
What were you going to stick him?
I was going to just stick the table leg inside. If you can. Like that, and then just pop his head on. Watch it, William.
You didn't ever have him fighting out with him though.
He didn't have enough fucking body. Go on.
Go on. Just shove the arm straight into the middle of it, and his head should stay on.
Aye, Willie Ford.
Try and shove it inside of it.
No, I think then.
Aye. Here, Stephen, cup hold of that.
It's sticky.
Wait a minute.
Put it on the after you. Go in.
Oh, it's gone inside.
My what? My what's going?
There's one there, down. Oh, look at that.
That's alright. We'll put that on when we put it.
Well, that didn't go anywhere, William.
We'll put that on last.
Now just want to get that down and put it on.
Yes, that's true.
Hang on.
My head's wet through.
On to that, mother. I'll put more paper in. It's on video already.
Jimmy, just
Just chucking them down there. Just leave them now. Why?
You want another table leg? That's fine down there.
yeah, get your weapon. You want to put it again?
Don't put that, William. I'll stick on the wheelie bin.
What?
It's bloody for now.
Oh, just it. Bring that round here, William. That table leg. That table. Stand that table round here. They've put all the rubbish inside of it. Just put it on there.
You get a leg and I got Yeah, I got pulled down it last night.
Oh, it's a bit of shot on it.
That one's pushing down there. I know you can feel the heat. William, push that on. Push that down there on. What's on fire?
Now that going.
Yeah, that one is. It's the other one. Where's his head now? Oh, it's still there.
That's what I was going to get one. Put it down the side.
Whoa, put William with the willy bin, I'll leave it.
What here?
Yeah, lay that down at that side.
Like a boy.
You might want to push it a bit more.
Yeah.
Don't even tempt it. Don't even tempt it. Like that one.
empty.
No one's empty yet.
Well, that's right.